everyone, our recipe for today is mango rice. As is the season for mangoes, I got this raw mango from Indian store. So wanted to make something out of this. So I thought of making mango rice, and little part of the rice I'm substituting with this quinoa and prepare mango rice as well as quinoa mango. Now let's get into the recipe. To start with, I'm taking 1 cup of quinoa. This quinoa is gluten free, rich in protein and fiber. This also has essential amino acids, and this is very good for health. We can replace rice with quinoa as it is very good for diabetes and weight loss. Always rinse the quinoa 2 to 3 times before cooking, as it contains natural coating called saponin, which gives slight bitter taste. Now add 1.5 cup water and soak it for 30 minutes. Also wash 2 cups of white rice in a separate bowl and soak it for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, cook rice and quinoa. Here I am using an instant pot, and in a pressure cook mode I am cooking both rice and quinoa at the same time in a vessel in vessel method. Meanwhile, we'll move on to the next process. This rice and quinoa will be done in 12 minutes. Take 1 big size mango and peel it. Mango is a low calorie fruit that is high in fiber, vitamin A, C and E, antioxidants. This also has high iron content. Raw mango protects from intense heat and dehydration. And of course, it's everyone's favorite fruit. Now grate the peeled mango. Here I am grating on the bigger holes because little big mango chunks gives additional flavor while eating. By the time I completed grating the entire mango, I collected 1.5 cup of mango. Now heat the pan and add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is heated, add half a cup of peanut, 1/4 cup of chana dal, and saute them until they are 50% fried. Now add 2 spoons of urad dal and 1 spoon of jeera or cumin seed. Also add 1 spoon mustard seed and fry. After everything is fried well, add 2 green chilies, 2 red chili and grated mango and saute them for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, the raw mango is also well fried. Now add a pinch of asafoetida and 1/4 spoon turmeric powder. Now mix everything until everything combines well and take it to a side. By the time we completed this, our rice and quinoa is also cooked very well. Now transfer this rice to a big vessel and let it cool. Now add the prepared mango and allow this also to cool. Try mixing rice and mango because mixing helps in cooling down both rice and mango also. After everything is cooled, squeeze 1 lemon juice and take 1 spoon salt. Mix thoroughly until the salt gets dissolved and add this lemon juice and salt to the rice and give a good mix until everything combines well. Adding lemon juice is optional because the mangoes here are not that sour, so I am adding little bit of lemon juice. If the mango is very sour, you don't have to add the lemon juice. Now our mango rice is ready to serve. This is very healthy and delicious. As this is over, now let's move on to the quinoa part. Our quinoa is also well cooked and ready. For this also I prepared the mango in the same process and added to quinoa and mix well. After the mango is mixed well in the quinoa, I'm checking the soreness and trying to adjust with a little of lemon juice and salt. Now give a good mix until everything combines well. Our delicious mango quinoa is ready. This is much healthier than rice, so enjoy without any guilt. So friends, please do try this recipe and stay fit and healthy. If you like my recipes, please subscribe my channel and stay tuned for more healthy recipes. Thank you.